Doritos has made a new chip.
Yeah.
Roulette. What is it you say? Well, there is hot chips mixed in the bag, and you have no idea which one you're getting. Ooh! Kim!
We're good to go!
Kim got these. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna make everybody. Hi, everybody. Gonna make everybody in the room's gotta do it.
Hi, everybody.
My brother's already chewing over there, getting ready. Getting ready. So everybody's got to take one chip and hope for the best. Ooh! You already opened the bag? All right.
Here, I'll get another chair.
Okay, let's take a look.
They all look the same.
They all look exactly the same. So you can't tell which one you're getting. Look at the fear in my brother's face.
I am concerned.
Who wants to go first?
I'm going first.
Okay, you going first? Lori's going first.
Can I just do?
No,
Oh, not eating it. She just picked one out.
No, I'm just gonna eat like you do.
Wait. Just pick one out.
Oh.
What if you don't get one?
Oh, you'll go around again. It's just like spinning the cylinder in the pistol and. Okay.
Are you sure
It
this
smells
is
like
a?
nacho cheese.
Hey, are you sure this
just
is?
smells nacho
And I've got one too.
Is this a true thing?
Yeah.
Really?
All right.
Hold them up.
All right. Hold them up.
Cheers.
Okay, everybody. There we go.
Cheers. Cheers.
Okay.
You got it?
I got it.
Okay.
Nah. I got a dud.
I got a dud.
It tastes good.
It tastes like nacho cheese.
Ooh, mine's spicy.
Wait.
Oh!
Wait, how spicy?
It's spicy.
Is it burning you?
Is it burning spicy though, or is it just
Mine tastes
spicy?
like a nacho cheese.
Mine just tastes like a plain one.
Yeah.
Mine's burning.
No.
Mine has an afterburn.
Yeah.
All right. But afterburn's.
Mine is. It's burning.
All right, everybody get one more.
It's burning my throat.
Oh, it's burning your throat?
Shit, that's not-
Oh, she must have got one. She must have got
Are
one.
you close enough? Do we need to get you some? Here, Craig.
Get her some milk. It's hot. Okay, here we
It's
go.
burning your throat. You're burning.
No, okay. One more.
Getting two. Ooh, I got
Mom's was hot.
Oh.
As an after, it doesn't.
Did you taste it? Did you eat it?
Yeah, he's eating it now.
It's burning my throat.
Oh, that's a big bite. You better watch out.
What is it supposed to do? After you do I get
Burn you.
Do I get something? No. No, do I get something?
It's not like a cracker.
Yeah, you won a pumpkin. You've won an outdated, dying pumpkin.
She's looking in here for a prize.
I know. All right,
Do it again.
let's do it again.
Go on, get
For
one.
the red one,
Oh, I got two.
put your chips
Oh,
on
well,
red.
I got two.
You should only do one.
I know. I'm gonna set this down. We'll do one.
Some
Okay.
chips are very hot.
Okay, everybody ready?
Ready?
You got one? Mom, you got another one?
Cheers.
Do I get another one?
Yeah.
She don't want
I
another.
don't know about this.
Cheers.
It's almost a trick or something.
No. Okay, ready?
This is just like a Dorito chip.
It's good though. This is good.
This is a hot one.
You got
You got a hot one?
This is a
Wait,
real
I want to
hot
try
one.
it. I want to try it.
That is a hot one.
Oh, mine
You're
is
making
hot.
a face though.
Mine's hot.
You
Oh, but I see the spice, but it's not.
It comes
like,
later. It's not like
It's not like you're gonna hurt or anything.
You got it.
you got one.
No,
got one,
but
a hot one?
that is a hotter
It
one.
is hot. It's hot.
It's hot.
My lips are burning.
Oh.
Your lips are burned. But what do we get for doing it? Yeah, thanks for playing our game.
Congratulations!
Go ahead. Thank you.
Thanks for playing.
Is it still hot?
My lips
No?
are hot.
No?
My lips are
Burning?
but it's
No, nothing.
It's okay now.
It's not that.
But I can tell the difference.
You can tell the difference in the
I
chips?
can tell the difference,
Yeah.
but it's like,
But
yeah.
there might be one.
Okay, so even the hot ones are not like blow your brain out hot
No, I
then.
don't
You don't
think
need,
so.
yeah.
Okay.
It's false advertisement.
Okay, that's the review I was looking for right there.
No,
Yeah.
No, you
They're
can
not
tell.
You can tell the difference, but it's not like because you would think with the roulette it'd be like pow, your brain's gone. You know,
My lips are still burning. My lips burn.
your lips burn. And what do you get for that? And a beautiful new and a bowl. Yeah,
Imagine you get a trip
and a Buc-ee's.
sunrise.
All right, one more round to see if we can get another one.
Flames out.
All right, you guys ready?
Well, how come you're not
Ready?
gonna do
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Nothing.
I don't feel any flame.
Nothing,
Nothing.
nothing.
Nothing for me.
Nothing for me.
Oh wait!
Ah!
There it was.
There it was.
It was a delayed reaction. Look at Chico.
Chico wants a chip.
As soon as we get.
Did anybody get one that time? No.
No.
No. Nobody got one that time.
No.
This is way safer than the
I
actually.
do need ice water now.
Yeah.
You need ice water. It's menopause.
It's menopause.
Put it this way. Nobody would want these lips on any body part.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Now we know.
Oh, man.
Wait a minute.
Kids watch
La
it.
la 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 la.
Kids watch this video. Cheers.
You did.
I
You
did
got
just
it.
Cheers.
got a hot one.
You got a hot one?
I got another
You got a hot one?
Just got a hot
And describe your heat.
Try to describe your heat.
one.
You got a hot
Yeah,
one.
just like red pepper.
Can you really tell the
I can
difference?
tell, yes.
Okay.
Oh, oh.
Oh, that was
I just got one.
This is like a dud.
I know. I've had nothing but duds this whole time.
Let's see some of
that
that.
one was hot.
No, you haven't. You haven't tasted it, have you?
Hot?
This is
No, I just got
Oh,
one.
so you can
yes.
actually tell the difference of the texture of the chip.
I got a hot one.
Try this one.
That's still not even hot. Oh wait, I
See,
got
it
it.
hits you.
And it's still not.
It's not unbearable.
Yeah, it is hot.
You can tell the dicks.
You
Okay.
eat scorpion peppers. You're
Well, I win.
You in the-
Yeah! I got a hot one. And I got a hot one, and
Everybody's a winner.
I won my mom's pumpkin.
what you
In conclusion, you can say it's a fun game to do, but the chips aren't excitingly hot, right? You would say the chips are not excitingly hot.
They're not excitingly hot.
No.
But they are delicious.
And it would be
Very
a,
delicious.
fun game to do with people that can't stand anything hot.
Yeah.
right.
Yes.
But make sure you have prices.
Gotta have prizes. Gotta have prizes.
I like fries.
Must have prizes.
Yeah.
It's a must.